I try to impersonate two kind of people. First thing I try to do is I try to get in the heads of the developer. I try to make this mental picture of this person that coded this application. And I try to literally be in the meeting where they decided to build that application. And I'm like, what kind of edge cases do they have in mind? Who are their customers? What is important for their customers? And especially, what are the things that they may try to cut corners on because it's not super relevant to their business? Maybe they kind of need to have it for compliance reasons, but they wanted to spend at least effort into actually building the feature, because typically these critical bugs are not in the most focused areas, let's say, but it's more in the edge cases, where you have a customer that is too important, so you still build this feature for them, but it's excluded from the scope for other assessments, etc. And it kind of becomes this inheritance that needs to be there, but nobody really likes to maintain. That is what I look for.